Samsung appears to be getting ready to release the One UI 9.0 beta for its latest foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. The beta release has not been officially announced yet, but a recent move on Samsung's own community forum strongly suggests that it could be very close. Back in June, reports revealed that Samsung had started developing One UI 9.0, which is based on Android 17, for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. At the time, there was no clear information about when owners would actually get the chance to test the new software. Now, things have become much more interesting. On Samsung's community forum in India, the company briefly created dedicated sections for beta programs for both the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7. These sections were reportedly visible for a short time before Samsung removed them just a few minutes later. That may sound like a small detail, but it could be an important sign. Creating dedicated beta sections usually means Samsung is preparing the software and support system needed before opening the program to users. Removing them shortly afterward could simply mean the pages were published too early. So, while Samsung has not officially confirmed the beta release date, it looks like Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 owners may soon be able to test One UI 9.0 before everyone else. The beta program will be especially interesting because One UI 9.0 is expected to bring several changes to Samsung's Android experience. One of the main areas of improvement is customization. Samsung has been giving users more control over the way their phones look and work, and the new version is expected to continue that trend. One UI 9.0 will reportedly offer more options for changing the user interface, giving people greater freedom to personalize their devices. But customization is not the only focus. The new software is also expected to include a number of new features and improvements designed to make everyday use smoother. For owners of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, this could be even more important because foldable phones need software that can properly take advantage of their unique designs. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has a large inner display that can be used for multitasking, while the Galaxy Z Flip 7 focuses on a compact design that becomes more flexible when unfolded. Good software is therefore a major part of the foldable experience. One UI 9.0 could bring improvements that make switching between apps, managing multiple tasks, and using different screen layouts more convenient. There is also an interesting detail about Samsung's release strategy. The company debuted the stable version of One UI 9.0 with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 series and Galaxy Z Flip 8. That means the newer foldables are already part of Samsung's next software generation, while owners of the previous models are now waiting for their turn. For Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 users, the beta could provide an early look at what Samsung has been working on. Of course, beta software can contain bugs and unfinished features, so users should not expect everything to work perfectly. Samsung will likely use feedback from beta testers to find problems and improve the software before the stable release reaches everyone. For now, the biggest takeaway is that One UI 9.0 beta appears to be getting closer for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. The brief appearance of the beta sections on Samsung's Indian community forum is a strong hint that preparations are underway. If Samsung follows its usual testing process, we could soon see the first users getting access to the new software. And with more customization options and new features expected, One UI 9.0 could give these foldable phones a noticeable software upgrade.